everybody! Did you wait for me? Post the delicious recipe? Today is let's make something spicy. Here you go. These are 2 packages. I'm going to use only 1 package, but I wanted to show you what they look like. So this is octopus. Today we are going to make spicy stir-fried octopus. In Korean, 낙지볶음. Koreans love 낙지볶음, especially me. In your local Korean grocery store, check out the frozen section. Easily you will be able to find frozen octopus, 낙지. 2 years ago maybe, I posted the octopus recipe. I was traveling in France. I bought the huge octopus. Probably you guys remember this. But today is also octopus, but this is a small octopus. What? Koreans eat and how many kinds of octopus they eat? There are tons of different kinds of octopus. Even some octopuses are poisonous, but Koreans eat 3 kinds of octopus. 문어 is a big, large octopus, and then today is 낙지. The other one is the 쭈꾸미. So 쭈꾸미 recipe is someday I will post someday. And then let's do either one. This one's 1.5 pounds, 1.5 pounds. So I will just use this guy. This was frozen. But last night I just transferred to my refrigerator, and then now just a little thaw out. Look at that. It's a large, 2 large 낙지 is lying down. So this is head. Inside the head is the intestine. Cut like this. And take it out easily. I just cut it in half like this, and mouth is here, so take it out. So my second 낙지, let's do, and open. Around here. So here. And easily I can clean up. And now you need to tenderize. I use salt or flour. Flour is just a wheat flour. Really massage. While you are giving the massage, and then all the flesh is going to be tenderized. So very important. I use flour, wheat flour, about 2 tablespoons. And then massage. This is my hot water because it's too cold. Sometimes I will dip my hand here. Maybe you guys may think that, Maangchi, why don't you wait until totally, fully thawed? Yeah, I cannot wait. That's the problem. This suckers should be all dirty stuff. It has to be come out, and also tenderized. Okay, I think it's good. Let's wash. Now very soft. Let's blanch. From now, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. If I don't blanch this 낙지, when I stir fry with salty seasonings, later its water come out, and then it's not going to be pretty and delicious looking 낙지볶음. And also, it's a little cooked. For 2 reasons, I have to blanch. Heavy. Let's cut this to bite-sized pieces. And You can split this way. Around 2.5 or 3 inch long. When I cook this, it's going to be shrunk. Okay, now we are going to make seasonings. And just a simple green onion. This is a large green onion called 대파. I will use this one large green onion. Or you guys can use small green onion. So maybe 3 or 4 green onion. I will use this one large 대파 and one small size onion. This is around half a cup size. Garlic. Need lots of garlic. 7 large garlic cloves. And around 2 teaspoons ginger. And this is Korean spicy green chili pepper. So spicy Korean store, or you guys can use a jalapeno. My rice is done. So today I use just a small pan and they make a really nice fluffy rice. And also I like to eat some burnt rice. Burnt like a scorched 누룽지. Fluffed rice like this. Then let's prepare seasoning. Let's start with garlic. Seven garlic cloves. Ginger. When I was in university, long time ago in Korea, there was a kind of a district that really famous for Nakji-bokkeum. Best of best taste. I used to go there often. Now that place is all gone and it's called Mugyeodong Nakji. Mugyeodong is the name of district. And a couple of years ago, I visited Korea and I found a famous place for nakji because I love Nakji-bokkeum. I talked to the owner. I just asked her, I want to get some hint. Oh, you guys probably use frozen octopus. He said, yes, it has to be frozen octopus. That's what he said. Of course, I ordered this Nakji-bokkeum. That was really tasty and spicy. But I saw that this is different from Nakji-bokkeum that I used to eat a long time ago in my university period. Because in my university, that Nakji-bokkeum is, they use lots of green onion. These days, it's changed. It looks all red. And I really love it actually. So just when I came home, I wanted to really develop this recipe. So garlic and ginger, and then this is green chili pepper. Just green chili pepper. I would like to, this is a really spicy green chili pepper. Its seeds are brown, so I like to get rid of this part. And just chop it up. Onion. I like to onion also just a little chunk. But I don't want to like a little slices really standing out. Because I want to like cut into really small cubes. And this green onion too. Chop this way. Let's make some spicy seasoning. I will use 1/4 cup hot pepper flakes. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. And sugar, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon potato starch we need. 1/4 cup rice syrup. And then mix. So we just make a little gooey stuff. Freshly ground black pepper, around 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, my rice is done. So just now let's cook. So what I'm going to do is when my pan is hot, and add oil. This is vegetable oil. And then all this green onion, garlic, ginger, and then I'll put it there. And then until just I stir fry until garlic is a little crispy. And then just seasoning and nakji, this octopus together. That's it. And then be ready to eat. 1, 2. About 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now this smells so good. This house is full of good smell. Even I didn't add octopus yet. You see, my garlic is a little light brown, crispy. That's great. And also the onion is translucent. Okay, now put this nakji. And then stir. It looks so good, isn't it? Because this octopus is already blanched, so we don't have to cook long. If we cook for a long time, it's going to be tough. I just cook only 2 or 3 minutes. You can choose the thickest guy, and this is skewer, wooden skewer, like this. It's done. Turn off, and sesame oil. 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil. Yummy! Look at this. That's it. This is my samjang, and this is a really curvy cucumber. These days, very, very crunchy. I kept this in the refrigerator, very refreshing and crispy looking. I'll bring my rice. Without rice, I cannot imagine 낙지볶음 because rice and 낙지볶음 really go well together, you know. So my rice. Delicious. And then another way eating is rice this amount, and just scoop this. So this is the kind of way that you guys are eating together. And then mix. So delicious, I keep eating. I just added this green chili pepper, really spicy. You guys can't eat too much spicy food, just skip it. So I just go back to my 낙지볶음. I'm going to finish my meal. Koreans love this. That's why every Korean grocery store they sell this. Today we made 낙지볶음, spicy stir-fried octopus. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.